Hello guys, it's Hiren here. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make $10,000 per week on YouTube without making any videos. I'm going to show you step by step, so please watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe because I upload videos daily on how to make money online and you don't want to miss out on that. Let's jump straight into this video. This is the example video that we're going to create. You won't need any special editing skills. The only thing that you need to do is research, and all the information can be found on Google. You don't need any special editing skills. The only thing that you need to do is enter all the information in the software that I'm going to show you. You can see that this video has 21 million views. There are tons of videos that are getting millions and millions of views just like this. Let's calculate this. 21 million divided by 1000. This is how much money you're going to make per 1000 views from AdSense. Let's say for every 1000 views you can earn $3. So for this video, this guy made $64,842,000 just from one video that you can create in less than 1 hour. This is going to be something that is going to bring you passive income for lifetime. This is a comparison video of how much this product cost. Nothing really special, no editing skills. I'm going to show you how to create this type of videos even better. It depends on what you like. You can see this video has got 15 million views, almost 16 million views. Let's say for every 1000 views they get paid $3. This video probably made around $48,000. Let's see another one. You can see this one has 10 million views. I really want you guys to jump on this trend because there are very few channels that are uploading videos like this. You can see in just a few days this video has 4.5 million views. This video was uploaded 10 hours ago and it already has 1.2 million views. I want you to take advantage of this method. You can see this channel is uploading videos every week, which I think is low because he should take advantage of the trend and upload more. You can see last month he only uploaded one video, and 2 months ago another. But you don't want to copy the same videos. What you should do is create similar videos with different topics. I'm showing you these successful channels to show you that there are tons of people that are interested in these kinds of videos. You can see their social blade. I want to show you this spike. You can see that they weren't getting a lot of views before, but they are getting 10,000 to 20,000 subscribers every single day, and you can see their views, 4.5 million views. That is around $12,000 in one day. Another $12,000, 10,000 here, another 10,000. You can see how much this type of channel is capable of making. I'm going to show you how you can create exactly the same type of videos. You can see this channel in the last 7 days, they've got 19,000 views. Let's calculate 19 million views times $3 for every 1000 views. So this channel in 1 week, they made $57,000. How you can create this type of content? First, you will do some research for the content. You can see they found it. Let's say if you want to know how many people are left-handed in the world, all you need to do is Google. Go on Google and type how many people are left-handed. You can also go and check out the description of the video for sources. You can see all the website that they used to find the content. So that is how you can find content for your video. The second thing I'm going to show you is the software that you can use to create these kind of videos. You can see right here, get started for free. Click on that. You're going to see a different you're going to see different graphs that you can use to create these type of videos. We're going to use this one in the middle. Let's click on that. I'm going to show you how to enter content, but before that, let me show you. You can zoom in like this, and you can get some free screen recorder, and you can scroll like this, and you can see it almost looks the same as the video that you watched on YouTube. This is one of the example that you can use to create your videos. I'm slowly scrolling so I can show you how it looks. You can see that it looks very professional. You can also upload the video for this topic, which are the biggest companies in the world. That is also a very great topic to upload on YouTube. To put your own content, click on data. You can change this. For example, you're going to create the biggest car companies in the world. You're going to enter cars. You can put BMW, for example. I'm just giving an example. You can put the price of the car. For example, let's say you can put in 1 in 50 cars. Let's create something similar to this video. Let's say 1 in 50 cars are BMW in the probability. In industry, we are going to say 50 cars are BMW. This is just an example. You can also put in here the URL of the car image. Let's say we are going to use this image. We're going to paste the image URL here, and then if we go on preview, you can see we have our car here, and it says BMW US probability 1 in 50. So 1 in 50 cars are BMW. You can see this is just an example on how you can change the content. For example, let's go on data. We can put, for example, dollar. We're going to put the image URL for the dollar image, and we can put example how many dollars are in the world or something like that. You can see how it looks. This is one example how you can use this software and create similar kind of videos. You can go in your screen recorder and record this graphs that you have created, and then you can upload the video on YouTube. Once you reach 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours on your YouTube channel, you can go and monetize it with AdSense and start making a lot of money. That's it for today's video. To start making money, all you need to do is take action. If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure you subscribe. Press the like button on this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon. And also